easy access. Aerodynamic design, hard shell construction, powerful outdoor performance, anywhere. Never more than just living free. TEDPoP. TEDPoP is so quick and easy to set up. Upon lifting up the cover, the force on the 4 gas strut bars increases, automatically opening the hard shell. When you open the expansion panels on both sides, TEDPoP will boast the largest space among the existing 4-person rooftop tents. It offers incredible openness with 4 side windows and the 4 shock absorbers built into the strut bars, supporting the tent's roof stably. The unique aerodynamic shell design allows for efficient fuel use and surprisingly quiet riding. With a design that doesn't impinge upon the roofline, TEDPoP values harmony with all kinds of vehicles. Additionally, the aerodynamic design of the recyclable ABS plastic material adds a sophisticated touch. The shell's interior is equipped with closed-cell foam insulation, which mitigates any outside temperature changes, alongside a high-strength aluminum honeycomb panel that utilizes thermal barrier technology. Their waterproof canopy, made of ultra-dense poly-cotton canvas, prevents internal condensation at the root with its superb air permeability. Lie down in the embedded high-density foam mattress and relish the blue sky in the daytime and be mesmerized by the breathtaking view of the night stars. The balanced dual cantilever arch structure is great at withstanding even the most violent winds.
Our aspiring developers set their top objectives as providing a groundbreaking user experience at a reasonable price. They created hundreds upon thousands of redesigns and prototypes to improve on the issues with existing market products, utilizing their rich experience and specialist technical skills gained from their long-standing careers in the camping industry. The materials and colors have also been innovated to produce a high-quality product which differentiates itself from other existing products. This has been the journey of TED so far. Enjoy your exclusive freedom with TEDPoP, the world's largest rooftop tent. TEDPoP.